Just like we said,
I'm Bird.
I'm I, and tonight we got a special guest star. I told you that we was going to have somebody tonight.
Mr. Ralph Stanley Jacob Johnson III.
That's right. I told you if you was going to miss it, tonight is not the night you want to miss. Tonight's the night you want to be on the Bird and I Show. God, we appreciate everybody that tunes into it each and every night, and we ask you just to click like and
subscribe and all that.
Share all that. This'll we're having some technical issues, so it's probably not going on the YouTube at this moment, but we're fixing to have it post on YouTube tonight. So just tune in wherever you can get it in. And this young man right here beside me, I've known him for several years. Me and him's picked together a lot. And I tell you what, in my eyes, there ain't no fighter banjo picker. And I tell you, he can just tear it up. It makes me just want to jump all over the place when he gets that 5-string out.
Yeah.
And
he's famous in Wilkes too. There's a picture of him right there in the old courthouse.
They are. They sure are when he's a little boy.
How old was
that's a wanted poster.
Oh, wanted poster. Oh,
that's right. That used to be the old jail, didn't it?
Well, we want you to play with us. That's what it is.
That was the old jail. That's why.
Yeah, that's why.
All right. Well, I tell you what. Let's just quit this yakking and let's start a picking.
What you want to do?
Do a little bit of Ramps and Ride. Take it easy on me now.
Do my best.
I tell you what, I was moving so fast I thought I was time traveling.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, well, Jacob, so talk to us a little bit. You know, you got a lot going on. You've had a lot going on, and
I do.
Tell us kind of what are you doing now?
I'm doing a whole lot of sleeping, a whole lot of hibernating and stuff at the house, but eating.
A lot of eating. Yeah, we do a lot of eating.
We know all about that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Now I think I got you beat on that part. You need to catch up a little bit.
Yeah, man.
Well, see, most banjo players, we need a little bit of a belly to kind of
You
hold
gotta have
that
that thing
thing.
arch a little.
Arch just
Yeah.
a little bit. That
Well,
controls
I
the
gotta
sound
keep,
of
I
it.
gotta keep it going because if I lose any weight, I won't be able to see where I'm putting my fingers
There
at.
you go.
So if I keep getting that belly just a little bit bigger, I can actually see where I'm playing. It'll actually help me
I'm
along.
telling you what, flip that banjo over and show that camera what's on the back of that thing. Look at there, guys. Tell you what,
Dr. Ralph.
Dr. Ralph Stanley.
The legend himself.
That's right. Old Jacob, he can play it too. Man, that banjo sounds good, I'm telling you, so.
Thank you. It's mainly the banjo, not me though.
Well, I tell you what, you know, I know all about that. And the man driving the instrument is what drives it. I mean, you can take a great musician and a bad instrument will sound good, but you can take a bad musician and a great instrument and
That's
still
the
sound
story
bad.
of my life. I got all kinds of money in this thing right here. That's
So-
what makes it sound good. That sounds good. What else you want?
What else we want?
You want to do this little thing over here?
Yeah, let's
You want to wait till we go to A, or do you want to do another something else while we're in
You want to
G?
go ahead and do our...
the bass player don't care because
Yeah.
my capo's just wherever, guys.
Yeah, we can go to A.
Yeah. Hold on, let me tune it out. You ready?
Now, I promise I did tune this thing before I left the house. But
Well, it is a banjo. They are temperamental beasts, you know.
they are. Just like Sonny Osborne always said, there's a little fella living in there called Craco.
Oh yeah, crack up.
Mhm.
He does some stuff.
He does his own little magic in there at night. And
That's
you
right.
have to, they like them old guitars. They won't hold their own. You want to do that one that you sang earlier?
I'll do that, or you can sing the one you want to sing first. Don't matter.
We can do, so we did a faster one. We can do
Right, that's-
yours first.
Sure. That's just. I can remember I was alone, living at home with Mama and Dad, and always wondered right in the wrong. That's why I tell you,
Makes me cry.
it makes me cry too. You're traveling a lot, Jacob, now these days. Stay on the road a little bit.
Yeah, I've been on the road a little bit. I'm playing for Larry Efall now.
Okay.
Playing for his band, player for his group. Right now we're a little on the slow side, but it's getting ready to start picking up here pretty soon.
Oh, that's good, boy. I tell you what, Larry, he's a fine musician.
Oh, he
Tell you
is.
what, buddy.
Oh, yeah. Some of the nicest people we know.
All right. Well, do you sing any?
I prefer not to, but.
Oh, come
Well,
on.
I tell you what. Well, just to break it up a little bit, let's let him pick us another one. You know.
All right.
I'll tell you.
What you want to pick here, bud?
We're an A, so.
We go anywhere you want to go.
Yeah, look, we got all time in the world, buddy. I just got to suffer and watch us.
I know, right? Hey,
And go back deep. Do a little fuck now.
We can.
Let's do it.
hold on, let me.
Typically, you know, you're supposed to just do all your songs in the same chords, so you ain't got to keep all down and turn up. But we ain't typical.
Guys, this is unrehearsed. Here again, I told you, this is all live. And we're just a bunch of guys getting together, jamming, and just having a good time. That's what this is all about. That's all we wanted to be. That's all of our expectation was just to jam around, and rather than letting the coffee table and the couch and the lamps have all the fun, we've decided that y'all was going to have to suffer too with it.
Yeah.
So we've included you.
Sharing is caring.
That's right. Sharing is caring, and we do care. We appreciate everybody that's just taking their time out right now just to tune in and watch us. We appreciate your time. So go ahead and give us some comments there. And like I said, we got any suggestions, you know, send it in there, guys. We sure appreciate it. And all right, so we're going to turn Jacob loose here on another one of these old slow banjo numbers.
Hopefully I don't fall asleep.
Yeah, I hope I don't. You put wheels on that one. That one was a rolling right there.
Yeah.
So,
I keep thinking I'm stepping on a zip tie over here.
yeah.
Now.
Now let's make him sing.
Yeah. Turn her back up there, buddy.
You got a request for cabbage head.
We'll have to do that. I know who requested that song. That means it came out.
I'm close to it. Yeah, let's do it just like it was earlier. Well, we'll fake it till we make it. Oh,
Try to.
That one right there.
That makes me sweat.
If you play them any slower, we're gonna have to go to sleep.
Oh, I'm turning on the air conditioner.
Guys, I'll tell you what, give that thumbs up. Mighty fine banjo player.
Y'all liking that? Might come back see it again.
That's right. Just keep on there. We might just come back and help us out again sometime on this here Bird Night Show. We'd love to have you welcome
glad to
here
be here.
anytime you want to.
Open door, that's right.
That's right.
You know, kill it out with some Mountain Dew.
Yeah, we can.
Next time to the Bird and I Show, you
Jacob Johnson.
never know who's going to show up. But Jacob Johnson, guys, I tell you what.
Yeah.
Jacob, thank you so much for
Thanks
being
for having
with us.
We appreciate you, guys.
And
Glad
we
to be
do. And anytime you want to open the doors up to the Bird and I Show, come on in.
We're going to have to do it outside next time.
Yep.
Yeah, that's
hot.
it.
All right, fellas.